Hello friends, I hope you are eagerly waiting for my class. The class is all about competitive English model paper solving series, part 8. So without wasting any more time, just keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels. And do not forget to press the notification bell. Okay, now have a close eye on the board. I would like to discuss some more questions that may be important in respect of the upcoming competitive exams. Okay. So now the first question is all about find the error. Be careful about the instruction. Find the error. You are not asked to correct the error. Okay, you are not at all asked to correct the error. You are just asked to find out the error. So the question is, the two men were quarreling. The two men were quarreling with one another claiming the child as their own. Option. So these options, option number 4 is all about no error. So what are option is given in this way? So number 1, 2, 3, and if no error is given, so this will be option number 4. Okay. Now try to judge the construction or syntax of the sentence with a very judicious mind. You will find that the subject is plural. So automatically there is no problem with the application of where. But whenever we are going to compare one person with another, or whenever more than 2 person is there, then we can use this pronoun, one another. More than 2 persons. But when only 2 persons are there, and we are going to compare the 2 persons between one and another, so this is not the right thing. Then what should be the right thing? One another should be used when we are going to compare something on a larger scales. So in case of 2 persons, instead of one another, each other should be used. So this will be the mistake. Instead of one another, each other should be used. But here the question is saying that it is one another. So this is the mistake. So you just have to write the option in the exam, that is 2. This will be the answer. Because in case of 2 persons, each other is used. So here 2 persons are there, but one another is used. Each other. Be careful about the answer. Each other means 2 persons. Comparisons. So 2 persons are compared. So in that case, one another certainly a great mistake. So this kind of question is generally given in the exams. I think you all have understood what I have told now. Now I am going for the next question. Please stick to my class, keep watching my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channels. I will make more and more class. Everything will be discussed on my channel. The second question is all about fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. Only one blank is there, so it is called blank. The higher you climb, the more difficult it dash breathe. So this is the blank. You have to choose the right answer and insert there. What are the options? 4 options are there. Became, second option becomes, option number C, has become, option number D, is becoming. So 4 options are there consecutively. So be careful whenever such construction is there, the higher, the more, the better, the worse. So this kind of construction is there. In that case, this article, the, is called instrumental the. This is called the instrumental the. Okay. So the sentence is in the simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Subject verb. Automatically sentence remains in the simple present tense. So the rest of the part 2 should be in the same sentence. So in that case you can say that became cannot be the right word. Has become, although it is in the present tense, but present perfect tense, it cannot be the answer. It is in the simple present tense. Is becoming, it is called a part of present continuous tense or present progressive tense. So what is left now? Becomes. This is the answer here, as it is quite fitted here in respect of the tense and meaning too. So this will be the answer. If you write is becoming, the sentence is not incorrect, but the sense is going to be incorrect. Has become, the sentence construction is quite correct, but the sense is going to be incorrect. Became, there is no question of writing became. So this will be the answer here. You have to choose the right option. This means B. So this will be the answer. Okay. So in this way you have to judge your common sense. You have to apply your thoughts and write the answer in the exam. But before that, please keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel so that I can tell you more and more about what you should do or how you will prepare yourself for the exam. Okay. Now I am going for the next question. The next question is too interesting. next question? Just keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels. I am going to write the next question on the board. Asked to use appropriate preposition is the cloudiest area in English. There is no doubt. Many remain in great perplexity over the appropriate prepositions. But still, there are some logics, there are some hardcore logics related to geometrical fashion in English. I will tell you everything bit by bit, not in this class, but in some other classes. I will suddenly raise the issue of preposition and try to satisfy all of you. Appropriate prepositions. It's a very vital thing. Without preposition, we cannot form the sentence. Even without subject, we do in some cases form the sentence. The subject remains understood, but without preposition, we cannot do so. Preposition. What is the sentence? The girl has been, this is a blank. We have to write the exact preposition. All the options are there. Sorry, this is there is no blank. The girl has been crying. There is no blank here. Sorry for that. The girl has been crying. Dash. Morning. This is called morning. In abbreviated language, morning is called morn. Okay. Whatever it is. So what are the options? You have to be careful about the options. From. This is the first option. What is the second option? Of. What is the third option? Till. What is the fourth option? Since. Four options are there in a row. Now you have to choose the right options here. First and foremost, you have to sense the tense of the sentence. First and foremost, we all have to sense or understand or perceive or go through or make out, whatever it is. You have to find out the tense in which the sentence is formed. So it is in the present perfect continuous tense or present perfect progressive tense. So in that case, present perfect continuous tense, generally we use two prepositions, for or since. For is used when there is space of time. How long we are going to do. But since is used when we are just fixing the time. From this time to that time. This is called the fixation of time. Here, time period is not given. How long is given? How long is some kind of a phrase is not given. How long the girl has been crying for 2 hours, 3 hours, half an hour. So all are not given. What is given is a fixed time. That means you can say that from morning or since morning. But be careful, there is a big controversy over for or since. When in the absence of sin, in this case, you can write from. In the absence of since. But if since is there, you cannot write from. Because since has more logical explanation to be inserted here than the preposition from. In the absence of since, you can write the answer from. But in the presence of since, you will never choose the preposition from in the exam. In that case, if you ever choose such a thing, it will be a big blunder. Nothing but a big blunder. Okay. So be careful about what I have said. So since will be the answer. Since. With the advancement of my videos, I will clear everything regarding the preposition, why we are going to use, what is since. Since is not only a preposition, it can be used as a conjunction. Since can be used as an adverb too. So all are there in the English cascade, in the English language. You just have to pick out the right ones and leave out the wrong ones. Okay. So this is the answer. In the absence of since, we can use from. But in the presence of since, we cannot use from. It will be a Himalayan blunder, nothing but a unpardonable blunder. Nothing but an unpardonable blunder. Okay, now I am going to discuss the next questions. It is all about synonym. It is all about synonym. Synonym means similar word. What is the word? The word is given opulent. What are the options? Fake. Options B, gloomy. Option D, rich. Option C. Option D, option C, this is option C, not D. Option D, selfish. So 4 options are given. When 4 options are given, you have to know the meaning. What is the meaning of opulent? Opulent means wealthy, you can say, very much wealthy. So what can be the synonym of opulent? Affluent. You can say affluent. What is the other synonym for affluent? Milk and honey. Milk and honey. You can say. Even you can say abundance. Abundant. Here it is adjective. All can be there. But nothing is given here. Fake means something fabricated. Something not real. You all know that. Gloomy means melancholic. Gloomy means melancholic. It's a very nice word. Selfish, in my previous video, I also clarified the meaning of selfish. Egoistic, we can say. We can say egoistic. Something like that. Self-centered. All can be there. But in case of opulent and its synonym, we can select this option C, that is rich. This means wealthy. So opulent symbolizes this option C. So you have to select this option C. But before that, you have to know every bit of it. Instead of rich, affluent can be there. Instead of rich, milk and honey, this idiom can be given. Instead of rich, abundant can be given. So all can be given. You should not stick to the one answer. The only rich will be given. I will just obtain the mark. It is not about that. If you take such preparation, then you will be deceived by the examiners. Okay. So this is my class for the day. Again, I will take my class tomorrow. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification button. I will keep more and more videos. I will analyze more and more. I will analyze every bit of English from first to last, from preposition to articles to thousands of changes in English literature, syntactical error, what is meant by syntax, how to write, all will be discussed bit by bit in my classes. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos. If any problem arises, if you face any problem, then kindly drop your questions in the comment box. I'll try to satisfy your queries. So take your preparation properly and you will never be deceived in the exam at all. I think you all have understood my words. Okay friends, goodbye for the day. Again I will meet tomorrow. Bye.